Ethereum value equivalent to 32,351 rands a coin. The present cost range, 32,191 – 32,463. The earlier day close, 32,447. The change was 0.30%. Reverse rate, ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, April 3, cost 32,295 rands, high 34,556, low 30,034. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, April 4, cost 32,292 rands, high 34,552, low 30,032. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, April 5, cost 32,238 rands, high 34,495, low 29,981. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, April 6, cost 32,274 rands, high 34,533, low 30,015. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, April 7, cost 33,642 rands, high 35,997, low 31,287. In multi-week Ethereum conjecture on Monday, April 10, cost 32,629 rands, high 34,913, low 30,345. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, April 11, cost 32,995 rands, high 35,305, low 30,685. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, April 12, cost 32,253 rands, high 34,511, low 29,995. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, April 13, cost 31,189 rands, high 33,372, low 29,006. Ethereum conjecture on Friday, April 14, cost 32,649 rands, high 34,934, low 30,364. In about 14 days Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, April 17, cost 31,533 rands, high 33,740, low 29,326. Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, April 18, cost 32,753 rands, high 35,046, low 30,460. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, April 19, cost 32,426 rands, high 34,696, low 30,156. Ethereum gauge on Thursday, April 20, cost 32,690 rands, high 34,978, low 30,402. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, April 21, cost 31,903 rands, high 34,136, low 29,670. In 3 weeks Ethereum gauge on Monday, April 24, cost 33,708 rands, high 36,068, low 31,348. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, April 25, cost 34,041 rands, high 36,424, low 31,658. Ethereum estimate on Wednesday, April 26, cost 33,027 rands, high 35,339, low 30,715. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, April 27, cost 34,213 rands, high 36,608, low 31,818. Ethereum estimate on Friday, April 28, cost 36,306 rands, high 38,847, low 33,765. In about a month Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost 39,013 rands, high 41,744, low 36,282. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, May 2, cost 40,067 rands, high 42,872, low 37,262. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2023, initially cost at 32,390 rands, excessive cost 38,847, while low cost 29,006. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 34,137. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 36,306, change for April 12.1%. Ethereum figure for May 2023, At the outset cost at 36,306 rands, excessive cost 43,560, while low cost 34,494. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 38,768. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 40,710, change for May 12.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2023. Before all else cost at 40,710 rands, excessive cost 48,049, while low cost 40,710. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 43,594. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 44,906, change for June 10.3%. Ethereum figure for July 2023. Before all else cost at 44,906 rands, exorbitant cost 51,193, while low cost 44,495. The found the middle value of cost 47,110. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 47,844, change for July 6.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2023. First and foremost cost at 47,844 rands. Exorbitant cost 59,384, while low cost 47,844. The found the middle value of cost 52,643. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 55,499. Change for August 16.0%. Ethereum estimate for September 2023. First and foremost cost at 55,499 rands. Exorbitant cost 55,499, while low cost 47,202. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 52,239. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 50,755. Change for September 8.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2023. At the outset cost at 50,755 rands. Excessive cost 50,755, while low cost 39,650. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 45,949. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 42,634. Change for October 16.0%. Ethereum conjecture for November 2023. At the outset cost at 42,634 rands. Excessive cost 52,917, while low cost 42,634. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 46,910. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 49,455. Change for November 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2023. To start with cost at 49,455 rands. Exorbitant cost 49,455, while low cost 41,734. The found the middle value of cost 46,380. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 44,875. Change for December 9.